so it's me, Cailyn. Today's video, I am back to bring you guys my first favorites video of 2019. Yes, the month of January has gone by and we're headed right into February. I'm hoping you guys had a fantastic start to your 2019. I have to say, I did. So where did I go in January? So January, I had the amazing opportunity to travel along with Laritzy to IMATS LA. So I was in LA for about 4 or 5 days, and you know what? IMATS did not disappoint. Your girl came back with so many new products, and I've actually had the time since IMATS to play. If you guys are following along with me on my Instagram, you guys have seen me try so many new products. It's been, shall I say, quite amazing. Some of the products have totally made it all the way to my favorites video, so I think it's time for us to give a recap. In typical favorites fashion, grab your notepad and whatever you've been drinking. Yes, y'all, we are back on the health tip. Even my mimosa's clear, Lord Jesus. And let's jump into my January favorites. So let's just go ahead and address the head of hair in the room before we even get started. This hair. Big thanks to Augusta Beauty Outlet for sponsoring this portion of the video. You guys know that I keep my slayage real, honey, and they keep my wigs popping. So big thanks to them for sponsoring this hair. And yeah, let's get into so many other new products that just wowed me in the month of January, shall we? I figured let's go ahead and go in the order of how I would apply products. Let's move into one of my favorite new ways to say I love you, skin, and that is with masks. This month, the skincare product of choice for me has been a mask by Bodyography. It's by Bodyography Skin, and this is the hydrating mask. You guys, this mask I have literally used 5 or 6 times this month before I started record, and it just smells amazing. It makes my skin look amazing. I think on one of my foundation videos, my skin even was a different color here than it was on my neck because the way that the blood circulates when you use a mask. So my girls that are not into using a mask and you want that anti-aging benefits and you want that skin to be hydrated, poreless, dewy, less oily, boo-boo, your skincare should be starting with a mask. I mean, come on now, it's 2019. Get on the bandwagon. This is a good one. Ride it on out. Okay? Bodyography Skin. During the time that I was doing my mask, I also opened up my package from Sigma from IMATS LA, which is the Sigma Skincare Brush Set. You know how you don't know what you're missing until you actually use something? Well, I have totally been getting on my skincare bandwagon with using masks. The Sigma Skincare Brush Set comes with 6 brushes for you to pamper yourself. These 4 right here, I have automatically pulled them out because I am all the way in my skincare routine with these. So this one is the S01, which is the clay mud mask brush, or spatula, I guess is what they call it. So this one works really, really well when you're distributing a mask. And then you have the S10, which is this little brush right here. So I'm an advanced night repair user. I love to use my advanced night repair, but oftentimes I feel like I'm tugging too hard. So this one has been giving me very even distribution. This one is the S10. Of course, your mama's gonna moisturize. So you have the S05. I absolutely love this brush because of the angle. It really does distribute your moisturizer without using so much. This one is the S20, which is the eye cream brush. So it allows me to put my eye cream around my eye area without tugging too tough. And of course, there are 2 more brushes in here that I haven't used just yet, which means I still have a ways to go in my skincare routine. So there's always next month, right? And of course, when you're masking, you have to have a head wrap, right? Oh my God, like literally OMG. My 2 new favorite head wraps have come in from the brand Cailyn, and these head wraps go along with their masking system. I've only had a chance to try one. I think there are like 5 in the series that I definitely want to try, but of course I couldn't wait to try all of those. I had to dive into using these head wraps, and they have totally been the thing that I've been starting my videos with. And you know what? I'm not ashamed. I absolutely love them. They're super duper soft. I love that they will give you enough stretch so you can pull your hair all the way back. They don't pull on your hair. I love the fun colors. Like, they're really just so obnoxious that they just fit me quite well. I love them. because after skincare, your girl is doing a complete light snatch all of a sudden. And I have to say, totally, hands down, the foundation that wowed me the most in January was a sample from Sephora. The sample that I received was the Nars Sheer Glow foundation in the shade Aruba. This sample has been helping me keep my foundation dewy. It wears seamless, and I am obsessed with it. Now, I will say I did test the shade Aruba. I'm probably going to test it that much deeper. So make sure that you're following my Instagram to see if Aruba is actually the shade that I purchased. Let's go ahead and move into eyes, shall we? Oh my God, I feel like I was completely set up in the month of January because this entire eye look was compiled of products that I received at IMAX LA. And when I tell you that it was like I was getting a 1, 2, 3 punch, okay? Because all the eye products that I received were just like bomb. Let's go ahead and start with another product coming in from Bodyography. This one is the Bodyography Disco Till Dawn palette. And I thought in my IMAX LA haul that it was a highlighting palette because it said Disco Dawn, but it's actually the tiniest little eyeshadow palette you ever wanted to see. And if you guys don't know, I absolutely love miniature palettes because they fit oh so nicely in my travel makeup bag. And here we go. This one also has a mirror. I am obsessed with every one of these colors, but the shade that I've worn the most is Fallout, which is this beautiful, let's see if my camera will let it focus. It's this beautiful lavender, beautiful icy lavender. Oh my God, Can You Dig It? Groovy, which is this beautiful black. Can You Dig It is this beautiful purplish brown. Groovy obviously is a smoky black. Jiggy, I'm actually wearing Jiggy today, and Can You Dig It on my eyes. Right on, beautiful brown. Killer and Bootin', beautiful transitional shades. I am absolutely obsessed with this palette. I thought it was so cute, and actually a very, very refreshing palette to start after all of the holiday glitz and glam, i.e. glitter. Next up, I was most obsessed with the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliners. These eyeliners, I'm actually wearing one of them right now. I'm actually wearing this green one, and let's see if I can see her name. Why are you not wearing your glasses, Cailyn? This color is called Gotcha. Beautiful neon green, and she wears oh so well in that lower waterline, you guys. I always have an issue with colored pencils either irritating my eyes or making them itch. This one goes on, stays put, and it actually gives you shock. And the other color that I thought was absolutely stunning is this one called Fresh. And I had some of you ask me what was this color in a recent post that I had, and the shade is Fresh. If I have to say anything wrong about these pencils, they're not twist up, which means I have to not be lazy and I have to want to sharpen them. But the color payoff is so good, I actually want to sharpen them. You know what I'm saying? Next were two pencils that I received from Sistar Cosmetics. So my girls that love a good drugstore bargain, here we go. Sistar Cosmetics has come out with their Ultimate Define Gel Liner, and I'm actually holding the rose gold one right now, which was one of my favorites. This color is absolutely stunning. There it is right there. It also came in a beautiful gold, and when I tell you that gold was stunning, she was so stunning she grew legs and walked away because I can't find it, but that gold is stunning as well. I also have this one in black, but when I tell you the payoff stays put, super obsessed with LA Girl and Sistar's eyeliners. Another eyeliner, I'm having to talk about my Cozzette. This is one of my favorite brands, and their Stylist eyeliner, which is called Vinylise. And the great thing about this liner, you can actually see for my girls that like a good felt tip, but it feels like you can do calligraphy with it. Just the design of the pencil, and I've worn this pencil out, and I'm going to let this one dry too, but it is giving you the blackest amount of black. I'm absolutely obsessed with that. This whole kind of little bit of glam, giving you a whole lot of impact. I've been totally into it. So beautiful colored liners give you so much bang for your buck with that much time, and obviously using a palette super duper tiny, yeah, I'm into that as well. Let's go ahead and talk about my favorite lash of the month. I'm actually wearing them right now, and they come in from the brand Ruby May. Her name is, can you see it? Kissy. so appropriate going into Valentine's. I'm obsessed with this lash. I'm wearing her right now. I have tons of pixelation. This one is the Ruby May Premium 3D Lashes. I'm obsessed with this company. You guys, I have met the owner of this company and she is on the ball. They have reformulated their name, and I want to say they're going by Lashy Box. And the whole thing with them, they are going to start a lash subscription, which I think is super dope, because how many times do you tear lashes and you don't want to go to the store to get a new set, or there's too much adhesive on them? I mean, to know that you have another slew of lashes coming in your lashy box, I mean, that is absolutely genius if you ask me. But these lashes right here, yeah, honey, stunning. Next up, we have to talk about some new contour palettes I got my hands on. The first one is coming in by the brand Ofra. Ofra Cosmetics reformulated their packaging. This palette, this is the Gilded palette. It says it's a face palette that launched 1,000 double taps. Just know this little palette right here is sickening. I have been wearing out this color, and this color. And that is what you're seeing, this glow on the cheek right now. Absolutely stunning. And of course, there's a big mirror here. This one is a little bit more weighted. I'm not sure if it's actually going to make it in my travel bag because it does have some weight to it. But I have honestly been enjoying sculpting my cheeks out with this palette. Another highlighting palette that I got my hands on at IMAX Olay was the Sigma Sculpt Highlight and Contour Palette. And let me tell you, honey, it has not disappointed. You can see that Mommy's been loving on this one a lot. But I'm going to say probably my favorite color is this one right here, which is Shine On. The Throw Shade, I honestly love to use that one as contouring my nose. And Hollow, I really have enjoyed using this one as just like a one-step smoky eye around the eye area. So oftentimes you'll hear me talk about palettes that are in a palette form or multi-use palettes. I will say this one is definitely a multi-use palette because you can contour, highlight, create eyeshadow looks, pop a little bit over the Cupid's bow. Like, this is a very multi-use palette and it's very, very light. So I've been enjoying that one as well. Lastly, I have 3 lipsticks that I want to talk about that have made it to my favorites for this month. And let's go ahead and talk about the combination I'm wearing right now. That lipstick is none other than Yum. It is from my Lip Tricks collection. Yes, my own personal lipstick collection. It's a beautiful liquid lipstick and it has more of a raisiny undertone. And that's what she looks like right there. I absolutely love it. It dries all the way matte. It gives you a beautiful plum undertone, but for my warmer complexion girls, it can kind of come off a little bit on the mauve side. I definitely love a matte lipstick, but when I want to have a little bit of moisture with no slip, then I've been moving to my Laritzy lip gloss. And I'll let you see what she looks like. So she comes off more of a holographic type lip gloss. Non-sticky, has a little bit of a coconut oil in it, so that's what it smells like. Non-greasy, I just really like it, and it doesn't disturb my liquid lipstick. And lastly, I have to give another nod to LA Girl for creating their liquid lipsticks, which are called Glitter Magic. So these are long-wearing lipsticks that as you press them, the glitter comes to the surface of the lipstick. I think it's a genius concept, and I have totally been in love with all of my new products for January. So there you have my favorites from January 2019. I'm so excited that I actually got around to playing with so many new products and that I got around to recording this video for you guys today. So now it's time for you to comment down below. What were some of your favorite products in January of 2019? Did you bring a whole makeup bag full of favorite products into 2019? Is it time for you to purge that makeup bag, girl? You guys know I love to know. Comment down below. You guys also know I love to connect with you, so make sure you connect with me. Follow me on all my social media links to never miss another upload. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button, which is going to be here. Also, click that bell, which is a post notification, so every time I upload, you are notified. Until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.